Alright, hello, my name is Isabella and this is my toolkit function of fx equals the absolute value of x. To find the domain of this function would be all real numbers because the function is passing through the x, as you can see. It's going through the positive, the negative, and it's touching 0 right here. As for the range and concavity of this function, the range would be y is greater or less than 0 because the function is passing through the positive. You see? And it's touching 0, but it's not going negative or anything. That's why it would have to be y is greater or less than 0. As for the concavity, it would have to go upwards because that's what it's doing. It keeps going up and up. Flipping the function of the absolute value of x vertically, all you basically have to do is, well, you have your graph here. All you have to do is subtract or put a negative in it in front of the function or in front of the x, whatever works. As for this one, what worked for me was putting it in front of the function, which equaled to this, as you can see here. Moving the function to the left. To move the function to the left, all you pretty much have to do is add 4 to it. But how? Well, you gotta do it outside here or inside. When I tried, I found out you had to do the function of x equals the absolute value plus 4, as you see here. And it made me move 4 paces to the left, as you see. Flipping horizontally. To flip it horizontally, it's pretty much the opposite. Take the positive and just make it a negative, as you see it right here. And it'll go from here to here. What's up? Okay, so let's go back to the first graph. Right there. You see? Graph touches the x. Is it? Yes, it is. You see it right there. Is touching the y-axis? Yes. Does exist for x is greater than 0? Yes, as you see right here. Is it less than 0? Yes. Is it equal to 0? Right there. For exists for y equals 0? Why, yes it does. Exists for less than 0? No, because it's not going down. But does it exist for y is greater than 0? Yes, because if you see it here, it goes up. And that's pretty much my function right there.